Hi guys, and welcome to FIXtastic Contents. So today's video I'm going to show you how to enter advanced settings for any Lenovo Legion 5/7 Slim laptop, but it has to be 2023 model, and also any LOQ 2023 laptop. So guys, just to remember, it has to be 2023 laptops. So there's three key combinations, three methods basically. Like I was saying, 2023 models, it could work on 2024 and obviously next year, but you need to find out and try for yourself, but minimum 2023. Okay, let's start with method 1, solution 1. So I want you to power on your laptop, or if it's restarting Windows, then let it restart or power on your laptop. Keep tapping F2 key to get into BIOS, Uefi. Once you're in BIOS, you need to go to more settings, and then this is where you need to enter the key combination. I will leave it on the screen. Follow the instructions.
Solution 1. Hold down FN key and press RN F10 and enter key. Your laptop will restart. Keep tapping F2 key to re-enter BIOS and you should see advanced tab.
If solution 1 hasn't worked, try solution 2. I will leave it on the screen again.
Press these keys in order. FN, RN keys. Do not hold any keys. F10 and then enter key.
If these two solutions hasn't worked so far, then last solution. I will leave it on the screen again.
The last solution. Click on more settings, hold all three keys together. FN, N, R key. Press for 3 times. Press F10, save and exit, and re-enter BIOS. You should see advanced tab appear.
Guys, let me know which solution has worked for you. Also, there's other videos on my channel which is related. Please check them out too, on Lenovo Legion laptops, how to enter advanced BIOS. Oh, I forgot to mention to you guys, remember, change the settings at your own risk. Okay, so just remember, the settings are extra settings and it could affect your laptop, but I will repeat, change the settings at your own risk. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel and check my other contents please. I will catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you.